Papaya is a nutrient-rich fruit with a wide range of health benefits, including enhanced digestion, better skin health, and a stronger immune system. It is also low in calories and high in antioxidants, making it a great addition to a healthy diet. Nutritional profile: 100 gram serving of papaya provides low calories, only 43 calories. High water content, about 88%, which helps with hydration. Vitamins, over 100% of the daily required vitamin C, along with significant vitamin A, beta-carotene, vitamin B9, folate, and vitamin K. Minerals, good source of potassium, magnesium, calcium, and phosphorus. Antioxidants, rich in carotenoids like lycopene and flavonoids, which combat free radicals and reduce oxidative stress. Health benefits: supports digestion, contains papain, a powerful enzyme that helps break down proteins and ease digestion. Relieves constipation. The fruit's high fiber and water content help maintain regular bowel movements. Soothes inflammation. Papain has anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe intestinal inflammation. Boosts immunity. Rich in vitamin C. Papaya is an excellent source of vitamin C, which is essential for a strong immune system. Provides vitamin A. This vitamin is also crucial for immune function. Protects heart health, reduces inflammation and cholesterol. Antioxidants like lycopene and fiber help lower cholesterol and inflammation, which can reduce the risk of heart disease. Manages blood pressure. The high potassium content, combined with low sodium, can help regulate blood pressure. Improves skin and hair, promotes collagen production. Vitamin C helps the body produce collagen, a protein that keeps skin supple and elastic. Fights signs of aging. The antioxidants in papaya combat free radicals that cause visible signs of aging. Supports hair growth. Vitamin A can nourish and protect hair. Some studies also show that consuming antioxidant-rich papaya can reduce oxidative stress linked to hair loss. Assists with weight management. High in fiber and low in calories. The high fiber content promotes a feeling of fullness, which helps control hunger and calorie intake. Enhances metabolism. The papain enzyme can aid metabolism and help the body burn fat more efficiently. Helps control blood sugar. Low glycemic load. The fruit has a low glycemic load, which helps regulate blood sugar levels and prevents sudden spikes. Hypoglycemic effect. Flavonoids in papaya may help lower blood sugar levels. Possesses anti-cancer properties. Fights free radicals. The powerful antioxidants in papaya, particularly lycopene, help reduce oxidative stress, which is a key factor in cancer development. Inhibits cancer cell growth. Studies show that papaya extract can be effective against certain tumors, though more research is needed. How to incorporate papaya into your diet? Papaya is a versatile fruit that can be enjoyed in many ways. Fresh. Eat ripe papaya with a squeeze of lime juice for a simple, tasty snack. Smoothies. Blend it with other fruits and yogurt for nutritious drink. Salsas. Mix it with tomatoes, onions, and cilantro for a savory salsa. Salads. Add it to fruit or green salads for a tropical twist. Did you know that papaya seeds aren't just edible, but also one of the most powerful natural remedies for intestinal parasites? Rich in special compounds like papain and carpain, they help eliminate harmful worms and restore balance to your gut. By cleansing your digestive tract, papaya seeds can also ease uncomfortable bloating and promote smoother digestion, making you feel lighter and more energized. While some elements of the user's statement are supported by traditional beliefs and emerging research, the claim that papaya seeds are one of the most powerful natural remedies for intestinal parasites is misleading and not backed by medical consensus. Papaya seeds are not a substitute for prescribed medical treatment, and a healthcare professional should always be consulted for parasitic infections. While traditional remedies and some limited studies suggest that papaya seeds may help eliminate intestinal parasites and reduce bloating, this is not a medically accepted treatment. Papaya seeds should not replace prescribed medications for parasitic infections, and consuming too many may pose health risks. Papaya seeds and intestinal parasites. Active compounds. Papaya seeds contain several compounds with antiparasitic properties, including carpain, tannins, and benzyl isothianate. Limited evidence. While some studies show promise, like one where children given a papaya seed and honey mixture cleared parasites from their stool, the evidence is not yet robust enough to recommend it as a primary treatment. Expert consensus. Most medical experts agree that more rigorous scientific research is needed. Before papaya seeds can be considered a reliable remedy for parasites. Papaya seeds and bloating digestive enzymes. Papaya seeds contain enzymes like papain and chymopapane, which can help break down proteins and improve digestion. Fiber contained. Rich in fiber, the seeds can promote regular bowel movements, which may help alleviate constipation and the bloating that can result from it. Digestive discomfort. However, consuming too many papaya seeds, especially if your digestive system is sensitive, can lead to digestive upset, including gas and diarrhea, which could worsen bloating. Risks and precautions. Consult a doctor. It is crucial to consult a healthcare professional before using papaya seeds to treat any medical condition, including parasites. A doctor can provide an accurate diagnosis and appropriate, evidence-based treatment. Dosage matters. Moderate consumption of papaya seeds is generally considered safe, but excessive intake can be harmful. Risks for some groups: pregnant women and individuals with certain health conditions or those taking specific medications, like blood thinners, should avoid papaya seeds. Not a miracle cure. It is important to remember that natural remedies are not miracle cures. Relying solely on them can delay effective care and lead to complications. Benefits of including papaya in your lunch: boosts immune system. Papaya is rich in vitamin C, which helps boost immune function. Aids digestion. It contains the enzyme papain, which aids in protein digestion and helps the digestive system function smoothly. Provides energy. Papaya is a source of fiber and various other nutrients that can provide sustained energy throughout the workday. Supports overall health.